The life story of Barack Hussein Obama. Introduction. Barack Hussein Obama is one of the most inspiring leaders of modern times. He was the first African American president of the United States of America and served for 2 terms from 2009 to 2017. His journey from a young boy in Hawaii to the White House is a story of hard work, determination, and hope. But how did he become the man who changed history? What challenges did he face? What lessons can we learn from his life? In this story, we will take you on a journey through Barack Obama's life from his childhood, education, and career to his presidency and life after leaving the White House. Chapter 1. Childhood and Family Background. Born in Hawaii. Barack Hussein Obama II was born on August 4, 1961, in Honolulu, Hawaii. His father, Barack Obama Sr., was from Kenya, a country in Africa. His mother, Ann Dunham, was from Kansas, USA. His parents met while studying at the University of Hawaii. His father was one of the first African students to study there. However, life was not easy for young Barack. When he was just 2 years old, his father left for Harvard University to continue his studies. After some time, his parents divorced, and his father went back to Kenya. Barack's mother married an Indonesian man named Lolo Soetoro, and when Barack was 6 years old, the family moved to Jakarta, Indonesia. Growing up in Indonesia, life in Indonesia was very different from Hawaii. Barack experienced a new culture, learned a new language, and saw poverty around him. His mother was worried about his education, so she woke him up early in the morning to teach him English before school. Barack also went to a local Indonesian school. He saw many poor children who did not have enough food or clothes. This made him think about inequality from a young age. After 4 years, his mother decided that he should get a better education. So, at the age of 10, Barack moved back to Hawaii to live with his grandparents. Chapter 2. Education and Finding His Identity. High school in Hawaii. Barack's grandparents sent him to Punahou School, one of the best schools in Hawaii. But there was a problem. He was one of the very few African American students. He sometimes felt different and struggled with his identity. He asked himself, "Who am I? Where do I belong?" To find answers, he started reading a lot of books about history, politics, and race. He also played basketball, which became his favorite sport. College years and self-discovery. After finishing high school in 1979, Barack moved to Los Angeles to study at Occidental College. Later, he transferred to Columbia University in New York City, where he studied political science. During this time, he became more aware of social issues. He saw racism, poverty, and injustice, and he wanted to make a difference. After graduating, he worked in Chicago as a community organizer. He helped poor neighborhoods by working on job training programs, tenant rights, and education improvements. Chapter 3. Harvard and Meeting Michelle. Becoming a lawyer. In 1988, Barack was accepted into Harvard Law School, one of the best law schools in the world. There, he became the first African American president of the Harvard Law Review, which was a big achievement. Love story. Meeting Michelle Obama. After Harvard, Barack returned to Chicago to work as a lawyer and professor. During this time, he met Michelle Robinson, a smart and ambitious lawyer. Michelle was his mentor at the law firm where he worked. At first, Michelle did not want to date him, but Barack's intelligence, kindness, and humor won her heart. They fell in love and got married in 1992. Later, they had two daughters, Malia Obama born 1998, Sasha Obama born 2001. Barack was a loving husband and father, but he also had bigger dreams. He wanted to serve his country. Chapter 4: Entering Politics. Illinois State Senator. In 1996, Barack Obama entered politics and was elected to the Illinois State Senate. He worked on health care, education, and economic reforms to help working families, becoming a U.S. Senator. In 2004, Barack ran for the U.S. Senate. During the campaign, he gave a powerful speech at the Democratic National Convention, which made him famous across America. He won the election and became a U.S. Senator from Illinois. Chapter 5: The Road to the White House. Running for President 2008 election. In 2008, Barack Obama decided to run for President of the United States. His campaign focused on hope, change, and unity. Millions of people supported him, especially young people and minorities. On November 4, 2008, Barack Obama made history by winning the election and becoming the first African American president of the United States. Chapter 6: The Presidency 2009-2017. First term 2009 to 2013. Barack Obama took office in January 2009. At that time, the U.S. was facing a financial crisis. He worked hard to save the economy and introduced Obamacare, a health care law that helped millions of Americans. Second term 2013 to 2017. In 2012, he was re-elected for a second term. He focused on climate change, gun control, improving relations with other countries. One of his biggest achievements was ordering the mission that killed Osama bin Laden in 2011. Chapter 7: Life after the Presidency. In 2017, Barack Obama left the White House, but he did not stop working. He and Michelle Obama started the Obama Foundation, which helps young leaders around the world. He also wrote books, gave speeches, and worked on climate change and education. Even after leaving office, Barack Obama remains one of the most respected and loved leaders in the world. Conclusion: Barack Obama's life is a story of hard work, intelligence, and the power of hope. His journey teaches us that no matter where we come from, we can achieve great things. Do you feel inspired by Barack Obama's story? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories.